Well, good day, my friends. No, just furnace alert. So every year I get one of these in the mail, and it's from Daryl Edelman. I hope you don't mind I say your name, Daryl. And he lives down by the NASA Launch Center in Florida, and he sends me a beautiful gift every year, and I think this is what it is. We'll just open it up. Yes, NASA 2021. Bruce. Have a great Christmas and New Year. Enjoy all your videos on YouTube. So now, didn't we just have the first manned flight by SpaceX? The first flight since they retired the shuttle? So we won't be able to use that old line, this isn't the shuttle anymore, because the shuttle isn't anymore. Anyway, isn't that nice? I'm a space cadet myself. I've been told that a few times, eh? So thanks, Daryl. I'll just take you guys for a little walk here. See, it's up there, behind all my persuaders and stuff. That's last year's. So thank you, Daryl. I'll hang that on January the 1st. Very, very nice. The generosity of people is mind-blowing. Very, very good. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everybody. I'm Bruce. Furnace alert. That's the low sun shining in the window. Okay. Mail. It's from Mr. Flanagan. What a great name. Check this out. This is pretty intense stuff. Oh, okay. He told me a little bit on our conversation. He's got a lathe and he makes things, eh? Okay. Mr. Flanagan. Hello, Bruce. I better read this first. It's for removing stuck emulsion tubes and jets in a Honda. So there's two tools here. Okay, always enjoy your videos and have learned much from them. The T-handle tool I find really helps to remove the main jet on stubborn Honda main jets, and also removing the carb also saves removing the carb to remove the main jet. Also, the T-handle has more leverage than a screwdriver. The screw tool is perfect for removing stuck emulsion tubes. It has helped me numerous times on removals. And the wire tool is everyone's favorite for plugged emulsion tube holes. Enjoy the tools and keep the videos coming. Merry Christmas. I better bring you guys over here. Turn that over. There's no addresses poking out. Come with me. This is another one of those specialty items, eh? So, this would be the tool to clean out the emulsion tube. Where are we? I'm thinking. This is the tool to remove stuck emulsion tubes. That almost looks like, yes, that's a drywall screw set into this aluminum. Isn't that something? And you can just see that. Screwing it in and pulling it out. Love it! And this has got to be the jet tool. I want to get the tape off, and I don't want to get any tape on the handle. Oh yeah, okay. That is ideal. So on a Honda, you just go up from underneath to remove it, and the bit is removable. I'm going to go grab a Honda carburetor right now. Alright, here we have a carburetor. It's down low, close to the deck of the Honda, off the deck of the lawnmower. And once they're almost all the way out, you still got to get them out, right? There it is. And then this will get the emulsion tube out. You never, oh yeah, it's coming. Now this little guy, this is probably what this is for. Oh, my eyes. Yes, see that? That's for that, and as well, of course, that. So let me just get my stuff together here so we don't lose anything. So, Mr. Flanagan, the T-handle tool I find really helps to remove the main jet, right, which we just did, and on the stubborn Honda main jets. Helps save removing the carb, right. This has more leverage. The screw tool is perfect for removing stuck emulsion tubes. It has helped me numerous times on removal, and the wire tool is everyone's favorite for plugged emulsion tube holes. Yeah, that's right. This guy's got a wire like I showed you for that, eh? Martin, Edmonton Antique Club. But I got the name off the card. Your handwriting is not as bad as mine, but anyway, thank you. Isn't that wonderful? I'm going to find a special little bag to put this in. Yep, and we'll continue with that. So thanks a lot again. The generosity is amazing of folks, isn't it? Thank you. So Martin, you might want to have a peek into here. Yeah, here we go. This is where a lot of the specialized small engine stuff exists, right? You'll see a lot of things in here. And yours is going right back in there, like right there. Thank you.